As an engineer, you work with anyone who wants to change what a computer is doing. And I don't know if you've looked around recently, but that's basically every single human being alive right now. Okay. I am Stephen Buckley. I'm a staff software engineer at Justworks. I'm working on our mobile team right now. There are plenty of companies that are very fun to work at, where if you mess up, somebody doesn't get served an ad, or the text on their article is a little out of whack, or something like that. At Justworks, if you mess up, I mean, first of all, there's plenty of tests. We'll figure it out. You don't need to have a panic attack every time you push code. But because Justworks does payroll, because we handle benefits for small and medium companies, because we affect people's lives with these very serious things, when you make a mistake or when you make something good, the stakes are just way higher. You can have fun with your coworkers and you can have fun doing the job, but the work itself is serious. The most important things to know are that there are Luna bars in the snack area that you can eat whenever. You can eat as many chocolate-dipped pretzels as you want, and also, a day later, you will find out that you wanted a lot less chocolate-dipped pretzels. What else should you know about working at Justworks? I think really what you need to know, there are two big things you need to know about working with Justworks, which is if it's your first day, if it's your first week, if it's your first month, and you see something where you're like, this doesn't feel right to me. I don't know if this really makes sense. Let people know, tell people what you think. It doesn't matter about seniority or about your position or any of those things. It matters that we're working towards a common goal and we're gonna get there. And the other thing to know about working at Justworks is that it's like a train going 90 miles an hour and you are constantly putting the rails down in front of it. You never know what's gonna happen next. A product or a project that you made 2 years ago is gonna be totally different 2 years from now than it is now or than it was when you made it. People are going to use it in ways that you could never imagine, and the world is gonna change around it. And you are still responsible for making sure that the tool is working as expected. But the most important thing is the pretzels one. Truly, they're free. You can eat a lot of them, but later you find out you really don't want to. When you write code, you're making something for somebody that you're never going to see. Somebody who is having a child for the first time and needs to know what the heck a qualifying life event is, and they don't have time to Google this because now they have a kid. These are the moments when the tools that I make can change the outcome in favor of somebody who needs just a little bit more help, just a little bit more insight and understanding, and they don't have the time to do all of this research by themselves. That is a real connection to a real world event that you can make. Our tools can help hundreds or thousands or millions of those people, and that's huge.